Okay, let's start our video. But first, hydrate yourselves. Hi guys, welcome back to my IGTV, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my favorites of this month and what I have shopped. Furthermore, this video does contains a lot of gem products, so you really need to watch this video till last. So I obviously couldn't show the boxes because they were huge and I couldn't have stored them for the video purpose because they were like a lot of covered. So I threw them away and stored all of my stuff in this bag. For the first product I have with me is this Miniso's Apple Sake candle. This is a scented candle. The flavor of this candle is bomb.com and it smells like watermelon, apples and all the good stuff, and I have noticed that no other variant of this range is as good enough as this one, and this smells delicious. I mean, you can never get bored of this fragrance, and you need to really check it out if you are a candle lover. Next are these 4 makeup brushes, and these are specifically eye brushes. Can you guess the price of these? For 178 and 4 brushes for 178 rupees. Are you guys kidding? And I was so shocked at first, like how can they sell 4 brushes at 178? Let's try. And I ordered it, and they perform really good, and they help in blending colors together. They work really well on your eyes, and I use these only for my makeup. And then I got a white eye pencil. I was in a search of white concealer or white something which gave me a white base for some makeup look. I have not done that yet. It's in the variant Seashells. It performs beautifully, glides on your skin and has a very creamy formula. It is pigmented and buildable as well. You see this? Next is the L'Oreal's Hyaluronic Serum. I was very dicey about the situation of the serum because you know that it is highly marketed product. I ordered the small size. Small size is very cute, and I have been using it, and it comes in a dropper like this. It has no fragrance gel consistency and gets absorbed quickly into your skin, and over that you can top it up with your moisturizer. And it is a really good investment if you want to have glowy, healthy and like plump skin, and I really feel it works on your skin. I used it many times and I have seen the results. The amount of chemical you want to introduce to your skin, then 1.5 is really good and sufficient enough for your skin. Next is this eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty, and I have heard a lot of reviews about it. It comes with a color scheme like this. You see the warm and smoky tones, and the highlighted colors are there, and I'll show you the pigment. These are nicely pigmented, and it is such a great deal, like 200 rupees for 9 eyeshadows, that too so pigmented. I mean, I was blown. You yourself see what the difference is and the hype about these palettes, and they come in more variety of shades. If you're a makeup beginner, then you can definitely try this palette, and you won't regret this. I got this Plum face mist. It is a very refreshing green tea revitalizing face mist. This is just a miracle product. You can use it in multiple ways to fix your makeup, to refresh your face and to hydrate your skin and whatnot, and just freeze this in your fridge and this will be good to go, and it is so good. Why not? The pump is really good. Like, you've seen how I distributed all the product onto my face, and very beautiful. This is a gem product. I'm talking about the Dove Fresh Go Fresh body wash. You can get it anywhere but not on Nykaa. It smells so fresh. Cucumber and green tea variant, and it is very creamy. It will leave your body with a soft effect and moisturizes your body and works wonderfully. For 115 rupees, you need to get this product. Next is this lipstick by Maybelline. It is their sensational liquid matte range. It is a very pretty mauve and pink color, and you see the formula of these lipsticks is pretty good. Next is the Body Milk. This is by Nivea. I have stick to it since winters. I can never go away from this product. It smells so beautiful, and the consistency is really good. It is very moisturizing. It stays on for a very long time. अगर पानी भी पड़ जाए तो it never leaves your skin. It is a very good product and worth purchasing in my opinion. Next is a very must-have product for all of us girls and even boys too. Is the Miniso's facial razor. I've used this one recently. I am not able to open it. Pastel pink and pastel blue. You can always carry it like this, and so these are like this, and the blades are very sharp. Not sharp enough to cut you, but sharp enough to get rid of all the peach fuzz and the extra hair you want to remove off your face. I showed you this candle. For the next product, I've got the smaller versions of these candles because I couldn't resist. It's a pack of 6 candles, and it comes in a heart shape like this, and yeah, these are very pretty, and they smell the same, of course. So this same version works the same, and must buy. Next is this nail paint by Masaba. It is in the variant Nimbu Pani, and it suits a lot of skin types, and the lip shade of this same range is very pretty. It looks very cute on your nails. It's a very nude and subtle shade, and yeah, the quality of these nail paints is really good, and they last for a very long time. They don't chip and they don't come off easily, and yeah, these are pretty good to invest in. Okay. So the next product is the dupe of Bath & Body Works product. It is the Layers Water Girl Vanilla Twist Body Mist. And yeah, this is the dupe of a warm vanilla sugar body mist from Bath and Body Works. The day I have received it, I have used it so much. I have reached this point. Otherwise जितने भी water cool के और variants हैं, I've never used them completely. एक ये एंड एक मिस्टिक आइलैंड, दोनों बहुत ही अच्छे हैं एंड यू विल हैव टू रीअप्लाई इट. आई वोंट से लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है बट नो, आई फील फॉर 200 रुपीज दिस फ्रेग्रेंस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस कैंडल विच आई गॉट इट ऑफ फ्रॉम अमेजॉन. वॉज इन टू मेकिंग DIY कैंडल्स. भूत चढ़ा था कुछ एंड इट हैज़ नाउ गॉन अवे. सो लाइक टू से दीज आर ओके, इतने बहुत अच्छे भी नहीं है. अगर आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हो, आप कैंडल्स बनाना चाहते हो, सो यू कैन रियली गो फॉर दिस. नेक्स्ट इज अ प्रोडक्ट विच विल हेल्प यू रिमूव टैन. You need to see this product. This is the Ever Youth Chocolate and Cherry Face Pack. It is a very beautiful face pack. It has got that creamy formula and it won't strip off your skin. If you use this regularly, you will see very effective difference in your tan skin, and this is really helpful. Next are these eyelashes. These are from Miss Claire and it opens like this, like very smart packaging. Fluttery kind of. Oh, the hair is really soft, very soft. Oh my god. If you are in search of a very inexpensive yet good quality eyelashes, you can either go for this or you can go for the Swiss Beauty one. Next product is a very crazy product and it is the blue eyeliner by Lakme, and it is the Insta Liner wali range and it works at the same. एंड ये जब सूखता है ना उसके बाद बिल्कुल ही लाइक इलेक्ट्रिक ब्लू टाइप एंड इट इज वेरी प्रिटी. ऑल्सो द क्वालिटी एंड स्टे ऑफ दिस आईलाइनर इज प्रिटी गुड एंड स्टेज ऑन फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट टू मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आर दिस Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. You must have heard of them. The shade 03 Champagne and 05 Rose Gold. This is a pink color. This is a champagne color. This is the champagne one. You can see this reflects with light and looks very pretty on eyelids. These are so buttery soft and the formula is very pretty. I must say, you know, very good variety of shades and dry down very quickly. But these are not waterproof. If you come in contact with water or you spray anything on your face, then they will melt and the makeup will get ruined. So look out for that. If you wear a lot of nail polishes and you're a fan of like experimenting with different type of nail colors, and you need to definitely remove the previous nail color, so you can try the Color Bar nail remover. It is a very good quality nail remover. It gets rid of the color very quickly. So you need to go very less with the product and it lasts very long. If you are looking for a very good nail paint remover, then go for this instead of the white. The makeup removal balm from Plum. Myself have used the balm to remove my makeup and it has done a pretty good job. It is a dupe of the Clinique Take the Day of balm, the purple tub wala packaging. See that in some sample or something, but I really remember how it works and it is the same. It removes every ounce of makeup with just a teeny tiny amount of product and it is such a must buy. Next is a body scrub from Plum, body loving coffee scrub. I was having so problem pronouncing this name. It is their coffee body scrub and it is exactly like the Caffeine one. It smells like Starbucks and yeah. It is very like powdery and finely milled. Mix it with water and actually exfoliate your skin. And I love the Body Lovin' range by Plum. Their every product is so good. Okay, addition to the Body Lovin' Love, I will add this product. This is the Body Lovin' Gel Body Scrub. It is in the variant Driving Me Cherry. It does drive me cherry and it is so beautiful. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Blast off mix in this tub and it is so beautiful. After you like remove the gel scrub, it is like a soapy formula and when you wash it off and the skin feels so soft and the beads in it also exfoliate really well. It's such a jelly and oh my god. Next product is from Caffeine. It is their Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. And look at the packaging, how cute it is. Oh my god, it has 2 coffee beans in it as well, if you can see, if they're visible. This body polishing oil is very light in formula and nourishes your skin really well and it hydrates your skin. Favorite face wash and I can't believe I have used it so much. Like it looks like this. It's a Pond's anti-pollution face wash. It smells so beautiful, pretty refreshing and cleaning face wash and gets rid of every dirt, pollution or anything on your face and is a very good product. Next is the Biotique Papaya Scrub and it is for all skin types, tan removal scrub. But I feel the granules and the beads in it are very harsh. It can actually cause micro tears to your skin, so you need not be very vigorously rubbing your face. Rather use more mild scrubs for my face, but not this harsh. For the next product, I have this Moi by Nykaa. This is my favorite fragrance. I tried the smaller variant of this perfume and I loved it, so I ordered the bigger packaging and it's so luxurious. You guys, you need to see this. Like it opens like this and got a glass bottle and very beautiful yet pastel blue kind of packaging it has got. And you see this and yeah. The dhakkan is a bit loose, but yeah. Oh, it smells. Oh, which is the sunscreen. This is by Photoderm Max Bioderma's sunscreen. It is SPF 50 plus. It has a very lightweight formula. Protects you from the sun rays, doesn't let the sun rays damage your skin and whatnot, all the good stuff. So yeah guys, मेरा bag हो चुका है खाली and now I am all done with the stuff. So I really hope you got something very useful for yourself, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.